Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our basic dry cleaning services and find it useful.
Reasons to choose a typical South Florida local would trust and choose Sudsies for their and their family's dry cleaning needs for several compelling reasons. 1. Convenience and accessibility. Sudsies offers complimentary pickup and delivery services throughout Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. This service is ideal for busy families and individuals, ensuring that dry cleaning is one less thing to worry about. With easy scheduling and reliable service, Sudsies meets guests where they are, whether at home, the office, or elsewhere. 2. Exceptional quality and expertise. Sudsies is known for its meticulous attention to detail and commitment to high-quality garment care. Their expertise extends to a wide range of fabrics, from everyday wear to delicate and high-end couture items. This ensures that all garments are treated with the utmost care, leaving guests confident that their clothes are in good hands. 3. Eco-friendly practices. Sudsies is committed to sustainability, using non-toxic, environmentally safe cleaning methods. This approach not only preserves the integrity of the garments, but also aligns with the values of eco-conscious South Florida residents who want to minimize their environmental footprint.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.